So I prepped my model EL's hair with Dense Up shampoo, and then applied Thick Up line as a cutting lotion. I started the cut by separating the top from the bottom with a horseshoe section from mid-recession. To create the guideline underneath the horseshoe, take a vertical section above the ear, comb the hair to a 90-degree elevation, and cut a decreasing line to begin the vertical graduation. Work towards the face using the same technique. Over-direct the hairline to maintain softness. Note the change of hand position and repeat the same technique on the other side. To progress through the back, use diagonal back sections and elevate the hair to 90 degrees and blunt cut parallel to the head shape. Maintain distribution and elevation throughout the nape area. To build the weight above the occipital bone, the elevation now drops to stationary 45 degrees. Note the change of hand position and repeat the same technique on the other side. Release the horseshoe and take a radial section. Behind the radial, take a diagonal back section, elevate to a stationary 45 degree and connect to the underneath using point cutting on both sides of the head. In front of the radial, working with vertical sections, comb the hair to a stationary 45 degree elevation and disconnect to maintain softness throughout the shape. Work consistently until the center part is reached. Reshape the front using point cutting at a low elevation. Throughout the top, take large horizontal sections and point cut squarely at a high elevation to diffuse the weight. Over-direct back at the hairline to maintain length. Complete the top to large random sections and twist cut to break up the shape internally. Push the natural movement back into the hair and diffuse dry. Finally, use your hands and hairdryer to create natural separation and break up the shape.